All right, so today's lesson is on using the order of operations in math. Now there is a key phrase that's going to help you figure out these order of operations. It is PEMDAS, PEMDAS. Or I like to say it, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. P stands for parentheses, which we always do first in a problem. E stands for exponents. That's like the little number, right? 2 to the second power, 4 to the second power. Multiplying and dividing always comes before adding and subtracting. Now it doesn't matter if you multiply or divide first. You just move from left to right in the problem. It doesn't matter if you add before you subtract or subtract before you add. You simply move from left to right in the problem. So if you took a look at a problem like we have here, words to know, here's an algebraic expression, we have to focus on what comes first. So this girl, Rebecca, she solved this problem her way. Now Juan, he solved his problem his way. Using the order of operations, whose way do you think was correct? Can you tell me why? Alan, why do you think Juan's? But there are no parentheses. And there are no exponents. So what do we do first? Is that he did? No, he did. No, look. Here's the problem right here. Here's what he did first. Look what he did first. No, Rebecca did not. Rebecca didn't add first. What did Rebecca do first? Kaden? No, she didn't. 36 plus 9 is 45. She did not do that. She did not do that. She didn't add those first two numbers. That's not what we do first. When we look over at our order of operations, what comes first? Multiplying and dividing. We have to do our multiplying and dividing first. Well, we have both of them. America, will you turn your body toward me? We have both of them. So which one should she do first? Because, no, we go left to right. So Darius is right. First we're going to do our dividing, which is what they did. They left the 36 alone, divided first, left this alone. Now after you do your dividing, what would you do next? We multiply. That's right. What is 3 times 5? 15. 36 we still leave alone. The last thing we do is add. So Rebecca was correct. Rebecca was correct. All right. Now I want you guys to tell me what I would do first. What would I do first in that problem? Eileen? I don't have any parentheses, so no, I wouldn't do those first. I don't have any parentheses. Natasha? If I look up at my PEMDAS list, it says, what should I do first? Should I divide or should I subtract? Natasha says I should divide. You're right. So what is 42 divided by 7? Sarah? So now we have 6 minus 3. What's our answer? 3. Now, you would not have gotten the same answer if you would have done 7 minus 3 first. So we have to follow the order of operations. Here goes. What do we do first? Brendan, what do you think we should do first? Times, that's right. So what is 2 times 2, Brendan? Okay, so now we have 15 plus 4 minus 1. Which one should we do first? I see some hands halfway up. Ooh, not sure, not sure. It's okay. It's okay to give me the wrong answer. This is how we learn. Aaron P., thank you for being brave. That's right. Remember, adding and subtracting, it doesn't matter. We go from left to right. So because 15 plus 4 comes first, we get 19. 19 minus 1 is 18. Now, tell me this. If we would have done the 4 minus 1 first, would have we gotten the same answer? What is 4 minus 1? 15 plus 3? This time, it would have worked, but usually it just so happens it worked this time. That does not always happen. Okay, I'm going to make them a little bit harder each time. Here goes. What should we do first? Aaron. Okay, there's 2 times signs. Tell me why you chose 4 times 4. Because it comes first. So 4 times 4 is? Okay, so now we have 16 minus 1 times 6. What should I do first? Subtract or multiply? Sarah? Multiply, which is? 16 minus 6 is? Yeah. Now, if I wouldn't have done this first, I would have had 16 minus 1 is 15. 15 times 6, that's not 10. No. All right, pull out your boards. Let's try a few examples. This time, I'm letting you go on your own. I'll put the problem up here. You work it, and we'll compare. Everybody copy down the problem. 20 minus 2 times 6 plus 3. Refer back up to the PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Natasha, you're on fire today. Atta girl. I'm proud of you. Eileen, what would we do first? Subtract? Is that what comes first up here? Subtract? No. Yep. So do the times first. Oh. Not 20. Do you see the time sign? What's the number before it? What's the number after it? Yep. Okay, Natasha, nice and loud. Where do you start? Multiply. So now it's not 20 times 6. It's 2 times 6. It's the number right in front of it. 2 times 6 is? Okay, so now we have 20 minus 12 plus 3. Well, which one should I do first? What do you think, Kaylin? Do the 20 minus 12 first because we're moving from left to right. Good work. Okay, so 20 minus 12. Oh, Natasha says 8. Final answer then must be what, Sam? 11. Check your answer. Put your thumb high in the air if you got it right. Okay, for those of you who didn't get it right, what did you do wrong? Did you choose to do the wrong thing first? No? Did you make a silly addition or subtraction mistake, or?
No, I minus 20 times 12. I got 12.
Oh, 20 minus 12 isn't 12.
I got, yeah.
That's what you did wrong? Just subtracted wrong? Yeah, that happens. Ellen, what did you do? You added the 12 plus 3? Oh. Okay, I'm glad that you are sharing, though, what you did wrong, because we always move from left to right as long as the symbols work together. Adding and subtracting work together. Multiplying and dividing work together. Yes?
It's not what I got on, but will we need to show our work like up there for the problem?
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's very difficult to do without it, and I don't think we're going to just take any chances because we think we're just so good. This is something brand spanking new. Okay, let's go. Caden, what out of these three signs, divide, add, subtract, what are you going to do first? Divide. So Emma, 60 divided by 10. How many 10s are there in 60? All right, Caden, finish it out here. We have 6 plus 1 minus 10. 7 minus 10. You can't do that. Can we do that? No. We can't do that. So actually, what would it be? What would the answer be? A negative number, which is negative 3. Uh-huh. Yeah, I made that one way too hard. My mistake. I didn't do that one to my class, but I'll show you. Here's the next one I did with my class. Uh-huh. I was so surprised at how many kids forgot what 3 to the second power means. Very surprised. By the way, there won't be any problems with the negative answer. Sorry about that one. Okay, when you look at this, what is the very first thing you have to do, Sam? PEMDAS. Is there parentheses? Is there exponents? Honey, this is an exponent right here. That's what we have to do first. Do you know what 3 to the second power means? No, it doesn't mean 6. Nope, it doesn't mean 6. Does anybody know what 3 to the second power means? Oh, how soon they forget. I'm so sad. What does it mean?
3 plus 3. Oh.
You mean, it means 3 times 3. What is 3 times 3?
6.
Oh my goodness. So now we have 6 plus 9 minus 1. What do we do first?
6 plus 9. 59.
Because it comes first in the problem. That's right. 15. 14. Oh, I think we need to take one quick minute, and I think that you need to clear your screen and tell me this. What does 7 to the second power mean? What does 3 to the third power mean? And what does 2 to the fourth power mean? How about the first one? Aiden, what does this mean? No, it does not. Nope. Otherwise, I would have just written 7 times 2. That is not what an exponent is. Natasha. I can't hear you. What does this mean? It means 7 times 7, which you're right is 49. How about this one? Sam?
9.
No. What does 3 to the third power mean? I'm not even looking for an answer. What does it mean?
3 times 3 times 3.
Which is not 9. Sorry. Does anybody know it? Will? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27.